welcome back to my channel. As you can see today I've been playing with some makeup. I didn't really have anything in mind to film today, but what I did want to do was play with some makeup, some funky colours. I went into my glitter bag, got some gems and stars and just all sorts. I feel like a bit of a unicorn, but I'm loving life right now. I just thought I'd switch on the camera and bring you guys on this colourful journey with me. I hope you enjoy it. It's a really interesting kind of colourful makeup look. It's not something obviously that you can copy and wear every day, but it's just fun. So if you want to see how I created this look right here, please stay tuned. Okay, so we're going to start with this shade right here, which is a Sugar Pill Pink. I have depotted it so I don't know the shade, and I'm going in with a big brush and I'm just patting that on all over the lid. I've already primed my eyes and set them down. So I just wanted to play with some colour today and I needed to film, so I thought that I would just get ready with you while playing with some makeup. So I'm packing on this colour really intensely. We want that really intense pink coming through, and I'm just kind of taking it up to the crease and then I'm going to blend it upwards with a blending brush, just continuing to pack that colour on. I missed an upload last week. I did actually film and didn't get a chance to check the footage until the day before yesterday, and I was just going to upload it edit it and upload it on the Sunday. But when I went to edit it, like more than half the footage was actually missing. There was only 3 minutes. It was a short video, but I was probably still missing about 5 minutes of footage, and it was a chunk right in the middle. So it was no good whatsoever. I thought about just refilming it, or doing my makeup the exact same and refilming the chunk, but I thought it was kind of silly. I may as well just film a brand new video, and I can always refilm that in at the end of one that I'm already doing. I'm taking this right the way out because I'm going to sharpen it up with a makeup wipe, and I'm taking it right the way under just so that I can keep myself right with the shape that is on the other eye. So now that we've got that block colour, I'm just taking the makeup wipe and I'm going to keep the same angle as this side. Taking the big fluffy brush and I'm blending it upwards here. Got another Sugar Pill Pink here. It looks like it's got gold reflex through it, and I'm taking a smaller brush and I'm going to put this as, it's almost like my inner corner highlight, but I'm dragging it up and onto the inner corner of my eye. And then I'm taking the Stila Magnificent Metals in the shade Into the Blue. I love these Stila Magnificent Metals, they're so cool. And I'm just drawing that all over the lid really. I'm taking it up to the crease, and then I'm just going to use my finger to pat that in at this side here and this side. Neat, because I'm going to go in with my brush and there's not much on it left from earlier, and I'm just patting that in these corners here just so that we've got more of a blend. Just been digging through all my glitters and gems and stuff because I was having a wee look to see what we could use with this look today, because I just want to just play. So I'm going to add in some gems, I think, just to keep it quite playful. So now that both eyes are looking pretty much the same, I'm just going to quickly pop off camera and do my eyeliner, and I'll be right back. While I was off camera, I just filled in my brow and I've put some glue on the lash, so I'm actually just going to stick it on. I've got a tiny little brush here and I've got the Anastasia Aurora palette, and I'm going to go in with, I'm going to mix the purple and the blue together and use that as my brow bone highlight. Unsure whether that will be the face highlight or not. I'll wait and see how, once we've got the base on and everything, if that would look far too much. I've gave my brush a scoosh. I like that, but I think I'll add a little bit more blue. I want this to be really playful and colourful, which is why I'm going in with these sort of colours. I'm just going to fast forward through my base makeup, contour, concealer, blah 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 blah, and then I'm going to come back once I'm all complete, and I've just got loads of gems and stuff here, so let's just play. I'm just dying to get that done, so let's fast forward through this section. I'm like a unicorn. Playing with some gems and stuff, so I've got some blue and pink, and I'm thinking that we should put them round the brow, and then we'll see what else we should do. So let me start with pink. And then I've got some blue ones, but they don't have a sticky back, so I've just used some of the Eldora eyelash glue. So I've just dipped it in. I'm going to put that one. There. And then for the pink again. Pink. Do you like this? I love playing with glitter and gems and anything sort of sparkly. I've not did anything like this for ages. See, when I was at college, I used to always do funky makeup looks, but when you leave, you just who would hire you to do this? I know in America we have lots of they have lots of festivals and stuff where you do get your face like this, but I mean, there's not much of that going on in Glasgow, is there? So when I was at college, I did lots of competitions for avant-garde makeup, or it was haute couture and stuff. So that's why I did loads of makeups like this when I was at college. I love it. The red that we used, I actually just scooshed my brush and went in with a little angled brush, really wet it, and now I'm using it as a liner for these lines here. But I kind of have to get in close and concentrate when I'm doing it, so I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to do this on camera or not. did that because I'm too lazy to go and get my face paint, so with bearing in mind that I'm too lazy to go get the face paints, I'm going to try and use this green sugar pill colour and just do the same thing. I'm going to dip my brush in. They're amazing, these sugar pill colours. Wet it, hopefully. And although it's not as intense, I want to put the blue stripe in the middle of those two. And I like that, and I don't know whether to go further or not. Like, I don't know whether I'm going to ruin it. I could put some gems here. Oh, actually, like, I've got a star. Let me find the star. Let me go in with a blue star, and then maybe I should call it quits. Right, where will we put it? It's so small. This is the finished look, and that little star there. I absolutely love this look. It's just been so much fun playing with makeup. Hope you guys have had fun coming along on this little sparkly journey with me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe before you leave.